Hello everyone. Welcome to RVD Holdings Training Division. On this video, we are going to discuss about most important and most useful app. Yes, it is Zoom app. Okay, this video is designed as 3 chapters. First, we will learn about what is Zoom. And then, we will learn about how to download and install the Zoom app on your computer. And then, finally, we will look at how to sign up the Zoom app. Okay. Let's start now. What is Zoom? Do you know? Okay, let's see about it. Zoom is a cloud-based video communication app that allows you to set up virtual video and audio conferencing, webinars, live chat, screen share and other collaborative capabilities. And do you know other good news? Yeah, Zoom is now available in desktop, laptop and mobile phone also. And you can join the Zoom meeting by your web browser. And do you think downloading the Zoom app is very hard? No. You can easily download and install the Zoom app by following these simple steps. First, you have to turn on your personal computer and open the Google Chrome or any browser that you're using to browse. Now, go to the search bar and simply type Zoom download. Very easy keyword. Just type. And now you will have thousands of results. In these results, press the Download Center, Zoom. And now you are in Zoom's Download Center. In this Download Center, we have various products of the Zoom app. In that, our need is Zoom client for meetings. So, press the download button, which near to the Zoom client for meetings. Now, it will download automatically. When the download is finished, open your downloaded folder. Now you can see the Zoom installer on your download folder. Now double-click the Zoom installer, and you should give the permission to run the Zoom installer setup. Click the Run button, and it will automatically install the Zoom app on your computer when the installation is finished. Now the Zoom is installed in your computer. So, this is Zoom's first interface. Okay, you installed the Zoom app. Now what you have to do? You have to sign up. How to sign up the Zoom? Let's see about it. First, you have to open your Zoom in your computer. And then, you can see the sign in button. Press the sign in button. And now what you have to do is, you have to press the sign up button. It is placed in right bottom of your Zoom app. Now you should confirm your date of birth. This is not a big deal. Just select your date of birth. And remember, this information will not be stored. So, just give your date of birth. And when you selected your date of birth, press the Continue button to the next step. And next step is very important step. You have to give the real information on this step. This step is called email verification. So, you should give your valid email address. By this email address only, you're going to activate your Zoom app. So, give that valid email address when you typed your email address. Now you will have sign up option. Press the sign up to the next step. Next, you have to open your email account and find out the Zoom's email. On Zoom's email, you'll have Activate Account option. So find it, and press the Activate Account. Now Zoom will ask, are you signing up on behalf of your school? Select No option, and press Continue. When you press the Continue button, you'll be redirected to the next step of your Zoom activation. And this step called Account Information. On this step, you are going to make your account password and your username. So, first type your first name, and then you should type your last name. Type your name and verify it. And now, you're going to make your password. This password should be very strong, and you have to remember for all the time. And your password should be minimum 8 characters length, and it should have at least one alphabet character and at least one numeric character. And now, finish up your password. And confirm it. And press the Continue button. And then, inviting your friends. You can skip this step. Okay, now you successfully activated your Zoom account. You did a great job. On our next video we will see how to set up online teaching studio, and then we will see how to host effective meeting or class with good tips. Thanks for watching our video. Our next part will come soon as possible. Keep supporting us. Please subscribe our channel, press the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, friends.